Hello guys, in this video we will see Roblox not working on Sipsy. Full fix tutorial will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 4. Verify hardware connections and system audio settings. Content. Begin by ensuring your microphone is properly connected to your controller's headphone jack or a port. If it's a wired headset, confirm there isn't a physical mute switch on your headset that is currently engaged. Next, navigate to your PlayStation console's audio settings. Go to Settings. Sound microphone. Go to Settings. Devices. Audio devices. Ensure your desired headset is selected as the input device and adjust the microphone level to an audible range. Speak into the mic and observe the input level indicator to confirm it's detecting your voice. Step. Check Roblox in-game and account voice chat settings. Content. Launch Roblox and enter an experience that supports spatial voice access. The in-game Roblox settings usually via the menu. I can look for a privacy or voice chat section and ensure that voice chat is toggled on. Also confirm that your Roblox account has successfully completed the age verification process, requiring it verification to confirm you are years or older, as this is a mandatory prerequisite for using spatial voice. Without age verification, the voice chat feature will remain unavailable regardless of other settings. Step. Perform power cycles of console, game, and network. Content. A complete power cycle can often resolve temporary software glitches. First, fully close the Roblox application from your dashboard, then power down your PlayStation console completely. Not just rest mod and unplug it from the power outlet for at least 6 seconds before plugging it back in and restarting. Additionally, consider power cycling your home router and modem by unplugging them for 4 seconds and then plugging them back in. This ensures a fresh network connection, which can sometimes impact voice chat functionality.
Step. Update PlayStation system, software, and controller firmware. Content. Outdated console system, software, or controller firmware can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with peripherals like microphones. Navigate to your PlayStation console settings and check for system, software updates on. So go to Settings. System, software update and settings on. So go to Settings, System, software update. Install any available updates for your controller. Connect it to the console via OS and check for firmware updates, which are sometimes prompted automatically or integrated with system, software updates. Step. Reinstall Roblox and test with alternate equipment account. Content. If the problem persists, the Roblox game installation itself might be corrupted. Delete the Roblox application from your PlayStation console, then re-download and reinstall it from the PlayStation Store. After reinstallation, recheck your mic. If the issue still isn't resolved, try testing with a different headset or microphone to rule out a faulty peripheral. Furthermore, if possible, log into Roblox with a different account. Ensure it's also age verified for voice chat to determine if the problem is specific to your primary Roblox account profile.